Today's goal is to simplify mixed numbers. When I'm simplifying a mixed number, I only have to worry about the fractional part. Let's take a look at this example so I can show you what I'm talking about. Simplify the mixed number 2 6/8. My whole number 2 is going to stay the same. The only part I'm going to change is the 6/8. Let's take a look at that fractional part. To create eighths, I'm going to actually cut my whole into fourths and then do 2 times in each part. I need to color in 6 out of those 8 equal pieces. Remember, when simplifying, I'm trying to make it simpler, easier for me to carry around or have these pieces. I don't want to carry around as many pieces, just like pennies and nickels. Do I want to carry around 5 pennies or do I just want to carry around 1 nickel? Well, in order for me to simplify this fractional part, I'm going to see, can I group any of these pieces together? Oh, I can. I can group 2 pieces together. Because I am grouping them together, I'm actually dividing them into groups of 2. So I can divide my numerator into groups of 2, and I can divide my denominator into groups of 2. And I'm going to have the new fractional part of 2, and that would become 3/4. I would have the new mixed number of 2 3/4, which is equivalent to our original mixed number 2 6/8. Let's take a look at some more examples. Let's take a look at 1 4/6. I'm going to go ahead and draw a model to help us visualize. I have 1 whole, and then I have 4/6 more. To get 6th, I think I'm going to go ahead and do thirds, and then I'm going to do 2 times in each side, in each piece. I'm going to color in 4 out of those 6 equal pieces. Now, again, when I'm simplifying, I don't have to worry about the whole number. That's going to stay 1. But this 4/6, I'm going to be thinking, can I put any of those pieces together and group them together, divide them into equal groups so that I don't have to carry around so many pieces? Well, I can. I can put them into groups of 2. So that means I can divide the numerator into groups of 2 and the denominator into groups of 2. And I'm going to have the new mixed number of 1 2/3. Here's another example for you. Let's look at 4 6/9. I'm going to keep my whole numbers 4 the same. That whole number part is not going to change. What I need to simplify are these extra little pieces that I'm carrying around. Now, I have it, my extra little pieces are cut into 9ths. So let me do thirds and then 3 times in each piece. Let's color in 6 out of those 9 pieces. Now, when I'm looking at 6/9, I'm thinking, can I divide those into equal groups so that I don't have as many pieces to carry around? Well, I can. I can group 3 pieces together, which means I'm dividing my pieces into groups of 3. Therefore, I can divide my numerator into groups of 3 and my denominator into groups of 3. And I'm going to have the new mixed number, simplified mixed number of 4 2/3. Here's my last example for you. The mixed number 2 4/8. Again, we're simplifying. Let's keep the whole number 2. But I really need to simplify and carry around less pieces than 4/8. So here's my whole, and I need to cut that into 8ths. Let's see, I can do half, and I can do 4 times on each side to make 8ths. And then I need to color in 4 out of those 8 pieces. When I have 4/8, I can, let's see. Let's make them into equal groups of 4. Oh, so if I'm making equal groups of 4, that would mean I'm dividing them into groups of 4. So I can divide the numerator into groups of 4 and then the denominator into groups of 4. And I'm going to have the simplified mixed number 2 and 1/2. Remember, our goal today is to simplify mixed numbers.